Maintaining good health and vitality over the years requires following a healthy diet every day, rich in nutrients and free from the empty calories of processed foods, such as those found in large quantities in supermarkets in the United States. Therefore, it can be very challenging to meet daily nutritional needs, especially after age 40, as we approach old age. It is essential to provide the body with additional sources of nutrition that allow it to obtain the necessary micronutrients to continue functioning well, giving us energy and health throughout the day. In today's video, we present the 10 best vitamins and supplements for older adults that will help you feel strong and maintain quality of life in this new phase. I should mention that number 6 is the most important supplement and will surprise you. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate notifications to stay updated with our news. To join our channel's membership area, just click the Become a Member button. Number 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Considered one of the most recommended supplements by experts and nutritionists for people over 40, and generally for those seeking to maintain health, omega-3 offers several important benefits. These fatty acids are a type of polyunsaturated fat, commonly referred to as healthy fat, and are present in foods such as nuts, unrefined vegetable oils, and some fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential because the body cannot produce them, even though it needs them to maintain proper cellular function. They are part of the cellular membranes in our body, helping in their regeneration and protecting them from damage caused by free radicals. There are 3 types of omega-3 acids: alpha-linolenic acid, found in plant foods like nuts, and eicosapentaenoic and docosahexaenoic acids, which are more abundant in fatty fish like salmon. Ensuring that the body receives all 3 types of omega-3 through a balanced diet is one of the best ways to reap all its benefits. But unfortunately, the absorption of omega-3 from plant sources is quite limited for our body, and on a daily basis, consuming omega-3 from fatty fish is preferable, as this type of omega-3 integrates better into cellular membranes. Omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in cellular health, especially for those over 40, when cells become more vulnerable to damage caused by free radicals. Maintaining good levels of omega-3 from age 40 or even earlier can contribute to better cellular energy management, prevent premature cell death, reduce chronic inflammation, improve cognitive function, promote brain health, and benefit organs such as the heart, eyes, and lungs, as well as the body as a whole. Number 2. Vitamin D. It is essential for bone health and plays a crucial role in our body. Even if you take a daily calcium supplement, such as calcium D500, which is very common here in the United States, if vitamin D levels are low, calcium will not be properly absorbed by the bones, which can result in osteoporosis and loss of bone density over time. You can obtain vitamin D naturally through sun exposure for about 30 minutes a day. However, due to the need for protection against sun damage and the lifestyle of those who work in enclosed or home environments, many people, like myself, have difficulty obtaining the necessary amount of this vitamin. Number 3. Calcium. Calcium is a crucial mineral for overall health, especially for the skeletal structure of our body. Most of the body's calcium is concentrated in the bones and teeth, as these are formed by this mineral. In addition to its importance in bone formation, calcium is essential for blood clotting, proper nerve signal transmission, hormone production, and regulation of muscle contraction and relaxation, which is vital for heart function. When blood calcium levels are low, the body relies on calcium reserves in the bones, which can lead to bone weakness and increase the risk of osteoporosis, especially in people over 40. This makes bones become porous and fragile, increasing the possibility of serious fractures, especially during activities involving the spine, hips, and extremities. People over 40 are more susceptible to osteoporosis, partly due to reduced consumption of calcium-rich foods and decreased ability of the body to absorb this mineral. Additionally, some conditions can lead to calcium loss through the kidneys. Therefore, it is essential to ensure adequate daily calcium intake through supplements like calcium D500 or calcium, 600 milligrams plus vitamin D FDC, especially if you do not consume dairy products. We will leave a link below the video with these products for you to purchase. Number 4. Coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 is a powerful antioxidant that helps combat free radicals and improve cellular function in our body, especially in energy management, heart health, tissue resilience, and elasticity, among other physiological processes. Although the body produces this coenzyme and converts it into ubiquinol, its active form, production capacity, decreases with age, especially after 40. Therefore, it becomes difficult to replenish levels with diet alone, even though meats and other foods contain it. Thus, it is advisable to supplement coenzyme Q10 to maintain adequate levels, promoting cellular health and improving skin quality, giving a more youthful appearance to body tissues. Number 5. Turmeric. Originating from southwestern India, turmeric is a medicinal plant widely used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years to treat digestive and skin issues, and has become more common in the United States in the past year. It has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antiseptic, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, thanks to curcumin, its main active compound. Curcumin is responsible for the characteristic color and aroma of turmeric, and is the substance that contributes the most to its health benefits. Turmeric has gained prominence in the United States for being an effective natural remedy against rheumatoid arthritis, a common condition among Americans. Its antioxidant effect helps combat free radicals, alleviating inflammation and joint pain associated with this condition. Additionally, it can reduce cholesterol levels, improve blood flow and blood pressure, helping to prevent heart disease. Therefore, turmeric is an excellent supplement for people over 40 who wish to avoid heart problems and maintain overall health. It can be consumed as tea or capsules, but it is important to take a daily dose along with some supplements to enjoy all its benefits. Before we continue, please subscribe to our channel and leave a like. It will help us a lot. Join our membership area, where we share more valuable tips like these and offer bonuses to members. Become one. Number 6. Vitamin C. Aging without vitamin C is like aging twice. This powerful antioxidant is essential for the body as it combats the action of free radicals, allowing for cellular regenerations and improving the condition of tissues and skin, giving a more youthful appearance. Additionally, vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, the protein that keeps tissues together and helps in skin healing. It also significantly improves iron absorption, a vital mineral for the formation of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body. Low levels of vitamin C in the blood can impair health, making tissues weaker and skin dull, fragile, and dry, as well as hindering cellular regeneration. This can lead to more severe inflammatory processes, so it is important to ensure adequate intake of this vitamin. Number 7. Magnesium. Magnesium is very important for the health of the nervous system, muscles, and bones. It helps regulate the nerve and muscle function, maintaining proper nerve signal transmission and muscle contraction during workouts. Additionally, it is essential for cellular energy production and plays a crucial role in bone formation, regulating calcium and vitamin D metabolism, which helps maintain bone density. Magnesium is also essential for protein production and blood sugar regulation, contributing to the prevention of type 2 diabetes, which is very common in the United States, and other metabolic conditions. It is important to note that magnesium deficiency is common in people over 40 due to decreased absorption capacity in the intestines with age. Additionally, many medications for chronic diseases can interfere with the absorption of this mineral. Magnesium deficiency can lead to muscle cramps, weakness, fatigue, irritability, and sleep problems. Therefore, it is crucial to maintain a diet rich in magnesium, including foods like nuts, seeds, legumes, and the use of some supplements that aid in absorption. Number 8. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for red blood cell formation, DNA synthesis, and nervous system function. It is essential for cellular energy production, helping to convert food into usable energy for the body, especially during physical exercise. Additionally, it is important for brain health, participating in neurotransmitter synthesis and the formation of myelin, the layer that protects nerve fibers. Vitamin B12 deficiency is more common in people over 50 due to decreased absorption capacity in the intestines with age. Vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to anemia, fatigue, weakness, memory problems, depression, and nerve damage. Therefore, it is important to ensure adequate intake in your daily life through the foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products, or through supplements containing vitamin B12. Number 9. Probiotics. As we age, maintaining a healthy gut flora becomes crucial for our overall health. Probiotics play an essential role in this process, promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is essential for proper digestion and strengthening the immune system. For people over 40, choosing the right probiotic can make a big difference in how they feel and their quality of life. We will leave some recommendations for the best ones in the video description link. Number 10. Resveratrol. Resveratrol is an antioxidant found in red wine and some fruits like peanuts, strawberries, and cocoa, known for its potential cardiovascular benefits and overall body health. It may help you protect your heart, improve vascular health, and reduce inflammation in your body. Thank you for watching, and to see the next video, click on this one appearing for you.